Alright guys, it's Fred with Barefoot Adventures. We're on another adventure and welcome back. And this time we're at Silver Spring State Park. So be right back, okay? Alright guys, welcome back. And make sure you stay till the end because there's an important question I want to ask. And don't forget, don't cheat. Don't go through the box to the end to get the prize. Watch the whole video, okay? Okay, so this is our site. There's our Mickey light. There's my sign. We're at site 24. And this thing is huge. Look at this place. This place is awesome. What do you think, guys? It's like 30 bucks a night. Some of the sites have full hookup, which I didn't know that, but we don't, but that's no big deal. We're just here for the weekend. There's our site. We're gonna go over to Silver Spring. I'll walk down here to the, so you see it from the other direction. There's my truck. We're getting ready to go over to Silver Springs to film the glass bottom boats. There's a little opening. Comes with a grill, picnic table, fire pit. You can have a fire if you want. We're gonna cook hot dogs later today. There's the back of it. Going around to the back. There's the side where all the hookups are. Water, 50 amp, 30 amp, 120 amp, or 220 amp. Nice and level, clean. Florida State Parks are nice. There's a view from the other way. Okay guys, welcome back. This is Fred with Barefoot Adventures. Now we're doing the looping. There's a trailer. These sites are great. There's a lot of growth between them. Florida State Parks does a great job. We just left our site, site 24. See, there's all the sites. We come up, we're looping in the car. People on the bicycles. Gonna ride the circle. Stop for the pedestrians. Bicyclists, excuse me, sorry. Well, wouldn't they be called pedestrians? They don't have to be on foot to be pedestrians, do they? This is sites 1 through 15. And we're in the sites 1 through 30 because we're 24. So this is site 1.
Some of these pull-throughs seem to be the ones that have.
And some of the pull-throughs have the sewer with them, see?
Oh, but that's a back in this.
There's 3. Can't do the inside loop because then we'll be going the wrong direction. Sorry guys. You get a kind of a feel of what it looks like. 7. There's another pull through, so it's probably got sewer.
There's that Phaeton.
Sorry, I'm not wearing my seatbelt, but we're just driving around outside of State Park. We're not going out on the main road, so I need to be able to move around. There's 11. See, look at how big that one is.
Wow, that one's got 2 on
Look at how big that one is. It's got 2 of them. There's 2 sites right there. So that's one of those shareable sites. So if you have somebody who wants to come with you, there's the comfort station.
Services both loops.
And comfort station, she says, services both loops.
The 1 through 15 and
There's another pull through.
the 16 through 30.
Yeah, I like this. This is one of our favorite state parks. This is one of our top 5, definitely. There's the sewer. Oh, that's a long ways away from this camper. Looked like they had to have an extension on there. Stinky Slinky. A stinky Slinky. By the way, my wife never touches the stinky Slinky.
That's your job. I'm the navigator.
Yeah, that's what she keeps saying.
Back her upper.
She does a good job backing up her. She's still honing her skills on the navigation part.
Excuse me? And straight across from us is
Squeeze me.
no, that's the
Yeah, right across from us is a dump
dump
station.
station. That's it.
I knew she could do that. This I don't pick on her to be mean. I pick on her because I love her. That's what I keep telling her. Okay, now we're going down to the next loop. A set of 2 loops, basically. One big loop separated by 2 little loops.
See you. Still looking for our pods.
Yes, of course, as you know, everybody who is new to this channel, again, thank you very much for subscribing. This is Fort King, sites 31 through 39. Hang on, I'll tell you. And then we go to the right, it's Fort King Loop
31 through 46.
31 to 46. Now, for all the new subscribers, first of all, I want to tell you thank you very much for all your support and your sharing of my channel with your friends and family. I appreciate it. And for the new barefoot buddies, we like to loop is what we're doing now, and we like to look for Tiffins because we own a Tiffin motorhome. And we also like looking for our pods because that was our very first trailer. And it's just kind of fun that we like to look for our pod sightings. I know it's weird, but that's what we do. We're weirdos anyway. So, and then, like I said, we have a Tiffin, and our Tiffin is a Class A, meaning it's big and long, looks like a big box, shoe box. And it is a Tiffin Allegro bus. 37. A is in apple, P is in Paul.
Alright, camera.
Hey guys. Happy Father's Day.
It's not, oh, new one. That's the gas.
That was some people hanging out, which is nice. Happy Father's Day. He was posing for us. I will edit that out. There's Comfort Station. This is a busy loop over here. I'm glad we didn't get this one. We like the quiet. Sorry guys, but that's just how we are. That smells good. Like somebody knows how to build a fire, they know how to build smoke. Yeah, they got an extension on their Stinky Slinky, but I don't think they needed one. The Stinky Slinky. So now we're coming out. Yeah, we're gonna go to the other group of sites in the Fort King, which is sites 47 through 49. See? Right.
As we're driving around, if you see downed trees, state park regulation or rules is they do not interfere with downed trees or downed limbs unless they are crossing a bike path or a walking path or a road. Otherwise, they leave them and let them decay.
Here's a campground hose. Airstream. Now, I don't know if you heard my wife, but the state park does not do anything with downed trees that are in the woods or the forest unless it is encroaching into bike paths or walking trails or roads or anything. They just let nature do its course. There's another comfort station. Now again, this is Silver Springs State Park and it's outside Ocala. And then you have Silver Springs, which is a tourist attraction right down the road. Don't get the two mixed up, because we did that. You go in there, it's not where you go to get into the state park. It's totally separate. There's a micro mini. There's a pull-through. These pull-throughs are nice. All these sites are very nice, guys. So, yeah. I mean, this is a wonderful, wonderful state park. And if you stay for, you guys stay and join my channel, there's going to be a bunch of videos on the Cracker, what's it called? Cracker Village, which is a museum with all the different cracker villages of all the people that lived here.
Representations of what it was like in the 1800s.
We're heading down, showing you how to leave the park. All the pavilions here where you come and have a big cookout. Yeah, they got a Coke machine in that one. Look at that, it's got a Coke machine. I've never seen a Coke machine in the outside one. Oh, they got a playground there. How much does it cost just to come in? Oh, sorry guys, we're not familiar with that. I'll try to find out and put that down. Comments. And if you haven't already, in each video and in the description of each video, if you look, we have a brand new P.O. box. So if you want, you can send me some mail or card just to say hi, and I'm going to do what's called a barefoot mailbag when I get enough videos. And we're going to do a live video, or we're going to do a video of opening the mail on camera. So if you want to be part of that, go ahead and send me some stuff, some mail, say hi, tell me where you guys are from. It'd be awesome. We're calling it the barefoot mailbag. Now this is the way, you're coming up on leaving the park. She's going to turn around and head back. So, but you would go straight out, and right there's an exit. And you get out there and you go onto Highway 35, right? And then you can get ice, and you can get firewood. Of course, they charge you, but it's not a lot of money. It's probably $2.50, $3 for ice, and $5-6 for woods. But I usually just grab scraps of wood around my house and I burn them when I do have a campfire. Oh yes, that's very important. My wife just said, I don't know if you heard it, but they do not want you to collect wood from around your campsite and burn it, because again, they want it to go back into nature. They like to preserve everything for nature. I'm not going to say much about my brothers and sisters. They were kind of mean to me because I was a baby of the family. Probably didn't help that I got away with everything because I was the baby of the group. So they were probably a little mad at me because I might have got them in trouble a lot. I'm not saying I did, and I'm not saying I didn't. I'm going to plead the fifth with that. And this is back at our loop. Sorry guys, I like to talk. So we go to the left. This is Sharp's Ferry. We're at 16 through 20. It's 16 through 30 loop because we're in site 24. And we're going to show you right up to where our little night bus. Our motorhome is called the night bus because my wife is a big Harry Potter fan. Our dogs are two corgis. One's named Luna, like Luna Lovegood. We call her Luna Lunatic because she's kind of crazy. Other one is Finny for
Seamus Finnegan.
Seamus Finnegan. He is a character on Harry Potter. So All of our chickens at home are got Harry Potter names. Here's our compensation for our meat.
That's shared.
Oh, that's a shared
It's
compensation.
shared between the,
Yeah, the two little loops.
yeah. For the 30 sites, it's shared. And
So
it's-
again, guys, I'm so thankful for all the support from my channel, and I'm glad you guys stopped by. I hope you stay. I hope you share. Please leave a comment below.
And here we are back with our Mickey light.
And here we are back with our Mickey light. Paper. Okay, now this is the question that has been bothering me, and my wife will probably chime in on this. When you eat barbecue sauce, a barbecue sandwich, do you put coleslaw on your sandwich and put the bun on top and eat it all together? Or do you leave it off like a normal person does?
Excuse me?
She puts coleslaw on her barbecue sandwich. And
That's the
and
only
eats
way to
it.
eat it.
So that's the big question for today, this video. So leave a comment below if you put slaw on your barbecue sandwich or your barbecue. Okay? And guys, again, thank you for stopping by. And I'll see you, well, we will see you around the campfire. Alright? Thank you.